Working out is essential for a healthy lifestyle, but what you eat before and after your workouts is just as important. It can make or break your fitness goals. Many people focus on their workout routine but neglect their nutrition. This is a mistake. Pre-workout nutrition provides your body with the fuel it needs to perform at its best. It helps you maintain energy levels, improves endurance, and delays fatigue. Post-workout nutrition is equally important. It helps replenish energy stores, repair muscle tissue, and promote recovery. This guide will provide a comprehensive overview of pre- and post-workout nutrition. We will discuss the optimal foods, nutrients, and timing for maximizing muscle recovery. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this guide will help you optimize your workout nutrition. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Find what works best for your body and your workout routine. Let's dive in and discover the secrets to fueling your body for peak performance and recovery. Pre-workout nutrition is crucial. It provides your body with the energy it needs to perform at its best. Without proper fuel, your body won't have the resources to sustain intense activity. This can lead to fatigue, reduced performance, and an increased risk of injury. Post-workout nutrition is just as important as pre-workout nutrition. After a workout, your body needs to replenish its energy stores and repair muscle tissue. Proper post-workout nutrition provides the necessary nutrients to support these processes. This can minimize muscle soreness, promote muscle growth, and speed up recovery time. The right foods and nutrients can make a significant difference in your workout results. By fueling your body appropriately before and after exercise, you can maximize your performance, enhance recovery, and achieve your fitness goals more effectively. In the following sections, we will delve into the specifics of pre- and post-workout nutrition, exploring the best foods and nutrients to optimize your workouts. A well-planned pre-workout meal can make all the difference in your energy levels and performance. The goal is to provide your body with a sustained source of energy to power you through your workout. Choose foods that are easily digestible and provide a steady release of energy. Carbohydrates are your primary source of fuel during exercise. They are broken down into glucose, which your muscles use for energy. Good pre-workout carbohydrate sources include whole grain bread, oatmeal, brown rice, and fruit. These options provide a steady release of energy, preventing sugar spikes and crashes. Protein is also essential for pre-workout nutrition. It helps to repair and rebuild muscle tissue, which is especially important if you are engaging in strength training. Lean protein sources like chicken, fish, tofu, or a protein shake are good choices. They provide the amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Avoid high-fat foods before your workouts. Fat takes longer to digest and can lead to stomach discomfort during exercise. Additionally, consuming large amounts of fiber right before a workout can also cause digestive issues. It's best to experiment with different pre-workout meals and find what works best for you. After your workout, your body needs to replenish its energy stores and repair muscle tissue. This is where post-workout nutrition comes in. The right nutrients can help your body recover faster, build muscle, and reduce soreness. Carbohydrates are essential for replenishing glycogen stores, which are depleted during exercise. Aim for foods with a high glycemic index, GI, after your workout. These foods are quickly absorbed and replenish glycogen stores faster. Examples include white rice, potatoes, and sports drinks. Protein is crucial for muscle repair and growth. It provides the building blocks for muscle tissue. Consume protein-rich foods within 30–60 minutes after your workout to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Good sources include whey protein shakes, eggs, Greek yogurt, and lean meats. In addition to carbohydrates and protein, other nutrients are important for post-workout recovery. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium, are lost through sweat and need to be replenished. Sports drinks or electrolyte-rich foods can help restore electrolyte balance. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables can help reduce muscle inflammation and oxidative stress caused by exercise. The timing of your pre- and post-workout meals can significantly impact your performance and recovery. Eating too close to your workout can lead to digestive discomfort, while waiting too long can leave you feeling depleted. Ideally, you should have a pre-workout meal 1 to 3 hours before your workout. This allows enough time for digestion and absorption of nutrients. The size and composition of your meal will depend on the intensity and duration of your workout. For shorter, less intense workouts, a smaller snack like a banana or a protein bar may suffice. For longer, more intense workouts, a larger meal with carbohydrates and protein is recommended. After your workout, aim to consume a post-workout meal within 30 to 60 minutes. This is the optimal window for maximizing muscle protein synthesis and glycogen replenishment. If you can't have a full meal right away, a protein shake or a piece of fruit can provide a quick boost of nutrients. Remember, these are general guidelines. The optimal timing may vary depending on individual factors such as your metabolism, workout intensity, and food preferences. It's essential to listen to your body and experiment to find what works best for you. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in athletic performance. Staying hydrated is vital for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, and removing waste products. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, decreased performance, and even heat stroke. You should drink water throughout the day, not just during your workouts. A general guideline is to drink half of your body weight in ounces of water daily. For example, if you weigh 150 pounds, aim to drink 75 ounces of water per day. During your workout, drink water regularly to replace fluids lost through sweat. The amount you need will depend on the intensity and duration of your workout and the weather conditions. A good rule of thumb is to drink 8 ounces of water every 15 to 20 minutes during exercise. After your workout, continue to hydrate to replenish fluids and aid in recovery. You can also opt for sports drinks that contain electrolytes if you have sweated excessively or had a particularly strenuous workout. However, for most workouts, water is sufficient for rehydration. Now that you understand the principles of pre- and post-workout nutrition, let's put it all together with some sample meal plans. These are just examples, and you can adjust them based on your individual needs and preferences. Pre-workout meal, 1 to 3 hours before workout. 1 cup oatmeal with half a cup berries and a sprinkle of nuts. 2 slices whole grain toast with 1 tablespoon almond butter and a banana. Chicken breast with brown rice and steamed vegetables. Post-workout meal, within 30 to 60 minutes after workout. Whey protein shake with a banana, Greek yogurt with granola and fruit, salmon with sweet potato and broccoli. These are just a few ideas to get you started. You can mix and match different foods to create meals that are both nutritious and enjoyable. Remember to adjust the portion sizes based on your caloric needs and workout intensity. With so many supplements on the market, it can be tempting to believe they are necessary for optimal performance and recovery. However, for most people, a well-balanced diet provides all the nutrients they need. Protein powder can be a convenient way to increase your protein intake, especially if you struggle to meet your needs through food alone. Creatine is another supplement that has been shown to improve strength and power output. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as they can interact with medications or have potential side effects. Instead of relying on supplements, focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. This will provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients it needs to function at its best. Remember, supplements are not a magic bullet. They can complement a healthy diet and exercise routine, but they should not be a substitute for proper nutrition and training. Pre- and post-workout nutrition plays a vital role in optimizing your workouts and achieving your fitness goals. By providing your body with the right nutrients at the right time, you can enhance your energy levels, improve performance, and accelerate recovery. This guide has provided a comprehensive overview of pre- and post-workout nutrition. Remember to choose foods that are easily digestible and provide a sustained release of energy before your workouts. After your workouts, focus on replenishing glycogen stores and providing protein for muscle repair and growth. Listen to your body, experiment with different foods and timings, and find what works best for you. By fueling your body appropriately, you can maximize your results and reach your full athletic potential. Nourish your body, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.